Enable Secure Boot in the BIOS to ensure only trusted applications are installed. But if you encounter this error, resolve it by opening the Run dialog box, type in msinfo32, press Enter, then check for the status of the Secure Boot state in the system summary. Now if it is turned off, enable it through Settings, select Recovery, choose Advanced Startup, select Troubleshoot, go to Advanced Options, select UEFI Firmware Settings, then select Restart. Now in the UEFI BIOS, select BIOS Setup, switch to Secure Boot, and check the Secure Boot Enable box. Now another possible fix is to choose UEFI as the BIOS mode. And in order for you to do that, open the BIOS page on your computer, choose Boot Sequence, check UEFI option, and save the changes, and then restart your computer. And for your last resort, perform a clean boot by opening System Configuration, go to Services tab, select Hide all Microsoft Services, choose Disable All, then open Task Manager, disable each application one by one under the Startup tab, and once you're done doing that, go back to System Configuration, then select OK. Now on your next restart, the Windows will be launched in the clean boot environment. And those are the ways on how you can fix Secure Boot State Unsupported error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.